Previously on Euphoria. I'm just kidding. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This week I am going to be talking about the trip that I am currently on, if you're watching this video, within the first 3 days of it being posted. This video is going to cover everything that I'm taking on the trip, as you can see here, as well as a tip or two for traveling and flying with film. So here's a flat lay of everything that I'm planning on taking, including some spare batteries, my Promise filter, and field notes. Now honestly, the entire purpose of this trip is just to go and make some photos. I've been experiencing some serious cabin fever and I just need to get out. But having said that, the main thing that I wanted to keep in mind when packing was to keep it simple. Often when traveling, it is so easy to fall into the trap of just bringing everything, every camera, every lens, and honestly, it's just a lot. So my main goal has been to scale back and only take the things that I'm sure I'm going to use. In this case is my digital camera to record videos for you guys, as well as two 35mm cameras. And so my tip for this video is going to be to just have a Ziploc bag like this available specifically for the start and end of your trips when you're going through security, if you're flying, as well if you're going to any museums. Sometimes they have x-ray machines. And if you have it preloaded into a bag like that, then you can just hand them the bag and ask for a hand check rather than having to rifle through everything and hold up lines. So I will be packing everything into this Peak Design bag, which is really slowly becoming my favorite bag. I've used it for about a year now, and I'm a huge fan of its organization as well as its size. It does a great job of being big enough to hold everything that I tend to need, as well as being small, compact, and light enough that I do use it and wear it and carry it around. And then another thing for organization is just these film case holder things. For when my film is not in the Ziploc bag, I can organize it by color or black and white or format. And then lately I have been carrying around my iPad a bit more, so I do just store that right here in the back. Thank you guys so much for watching and sticking around. I am so excited to get out on this trip, and I'm looking forward to having at least 4 videos about it coming out soon, so stay tuned for that.